Welcome to Westgate Chevrolet. Today we're taking a quick look at some of the interior and exterior features on our 2017 Cadillac ATS. This vehicle is featured in deep gray metallic paint with gunmetal gray alloy rims. We have our sunroof, Recaro racing seats, backup camera, heated steering wheel, and heated seats. Now onto the interior of the ATS. On our door panel we have our black leather, suede, and this carbon fiber-esque trim. We have our memory seat option, chrome door handle, window and mirror controls with automatic windows for front and rear, then our rear child and window locks. Below we have our Bose speaker and storage. Inside of the seat we have our power adjustable seats with lumbar support and bolster controls. Then we have our lighting controls, park assist and lane keep assist, gauge cluster with screen and digital speedometer, multifunction leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, front collision alert, push start, infotainment screen with navigation, backup camera, and then we have our climate controls that can also be adjusted from the screen, and our phone connectivity. Under we have our volume slider, dual zone climate controls and heated seat options for driver and passenger up front. Behind that we have a wireless charging pad and USB port. Moving down, we have a small storage with cigarette lighter or charging outlet, and our gear selection stalk. Beneath we have our auto start stop system on or off, traction control and drive mode selection. And we also have our two cup holders. Inside is our key, power trunk release and remote start. Leather wrapped center console lid. Inside we have full feltline storage with two USB ports. Front seats are Recaro, black leather, aluminum, suede in the lower portion, and again they're heated. Above our rear view mirror we have OnStar controls, reading lights, 3 garage door openers, and a sunroof. Now back onto the exterior, we can see our gunmetal gray alloy rims with our Cadillac badge center caps and Cadillac brake calipers behind. We have paint match mirror caps and door handles with side indicators on the mirror caps and chrome lock and unlock buttons on all 4 door handles. Up top is a paint match fin antenna. And around to the back we have our chrome tip dual exhaust, ATS and 2-liter turbo badging. Our trunk, plenty of storage room, and handle to close. Now onto the rear interior, we can see we also have our black leather and suede, chrome door handle, window switch and speaker underneath. Back of the front seats is finished in suede with our magazine holders. And back of the center console area we have our vents and charging outlets. Our back seats are a 60-40 split with fold down center seat featuring 2 cup holders inside. Thank you for joining me for this video walk around of our 2017 Cadillac ATS. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more daily Cadillac videos, and we hope to see you in at Wolf Cadillac sometime very soon.